Alright, so in this video we're going to have a look at the counting or each tool, how it works, and a few examples of takeoffs that you can do with it and uses for it. So I am in my fixing carpentry category, and I'm going to do this example specifically for doorstops. Really simple one. That said, the each or the EA counting tool can be used for a whole horde of things. So you can count door handles, you can count downlights, tap fittings, plumbing fixtures. You can use it even in framing to count jam studs, junctions, etc. And yeah, it literally has a huge number of uses. As it sounds, it's connected to the EA or each tool. So if you have the units of each and you hit the takeoff tool, it'll take you into the plan, set the takeoff type as each, and you've got this little point now, which is literally just a dot where you are going one there, one there. I'll put one there. I assume it's just against the base of the shower, but there may not be one there, or it may be on the floor. One there, and I'll put a floor mounted one there as well. So the counting part, really easy, and obviously counting in general is not that hard, but I think there's benefits beyond just the counting part, and that is that this takeoff I've done, I could share the image with someone and say these are where they all go. I could use this image in a quote request, but I guess what I'm getting at is that beyond just counting it, you can use this takeoff that we do as a bit of a reference. If I go accept and save, I just want to make a quick mention to the fact that the each tool lends itself really well to recipes as well. So for example, I could have a recipe for a door where it's got the door, the jamb, the handle, some labor potentially, and I could go count how many door sets fit into my house. So if that sounds like something of interest, have a look at the recipe videos, and there'll be quite a few that we have. But really, just to mention that is one of the uses of the each tool that we see quite commonly. Great, so that's how the each tool works. Thanks a lot.